So you might be wondering by now, what's the point? Who cares what the line of best fit is? That's entirely useless. Well, actually it's not. The least squares regression line enables us to predict new information. So we have in our original data all these different sets of data, 6, 8, 10, 12. We have 12 pieces of data, and we will know exactly that in a country with a birth rate of 31,000, 31 people per thousand, the average life expectancy will be 64. But what if we want to find the birth rate of a piece of data that's not there, so 33 for instance? We don't have any information for that, so what if we want to predict that? Well, once we fit our line, we can make the most accurate prediction of what that will be. So it's really useful to be able to do that. So all you need to do is choose what your independent variable is and then put it into the formula. So this was our formula here for our particular example. So we'd need to choose our independent variable's value. So say we wanted to find, again in this example here, a birth rate per thousand of 33, what that would likely be. Then we can predict that. And then the report will read like this. On average, when the independent variable is the value, you will have a dependent variable of dv value. So let's sort of do a practical example together. Find the life expectancy for birth rate of 35 per thousand people. That's what the question will say. So this 35, that's our birth rate. So looking back at this graph, we're trying to predict if someone's got 35 birth rate, what their life expectancy is going to be. So we're going to say the life expectancy is 105.4 minus 1.44 times the birth rate. And our birth rate that we're being asked about is 35. So the life expectancy is 105.4 minus 1.44 times 35, which is 55 years. So we would expect, based on our prediction from our line, that someone who has a birth rate, or a country that has a birth rate of 35 people per thousand people, would have the average life expectancy of that child would be expected to be 55 years. There you go. So we predicted that from the line. So here's my report. On average, when birth rate is 35 per thousand people, you will have a life expectancy of 55 years. So I just followed that pro forma and I put it on this page for you.